Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of Gmail. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search for Gmail, then we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll go here to storage. You will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.